everyone! So, if like me you're a massive fan of all things Hollywood and showbiz, then I'm sure you'll be aware that the Oscar season is here and it'll be hitting our screens on the 28th of February. Now for me, there are a few people who always stand out, whether that's on the screen or on the red carpet. Kate Winslet and her perfectly glowing complexion, Cameron Diaz and her classic red lips, or even Scarlett Johansson's subtle and understated nude looks. You may believe that the champions of these looks are the makeup artists, but I'm going to explain why I believe the true champion is our old friend Chemistry. Let's start with the basics. Perfect skin. Moisture is the key. Moisturisers are generally made from polar materials, meaning they have a dipole, that are hygroscopic in nature. They hold on to water. Glycerin is a very cost-effective ingredient used to help reduce water loss. Sorbitol, sucrose and glucose are also commonly used to hydrate the skin. Aloe, which is a combination of polysaccharides, carbohydrates and minerals, is also an excellent moisturiser. As skin becomes drier in the winter months, I'm sure Kate Winslet's pre-Oscar moisturiser will have most, if not all, of these ingredients in. Cameron Diaz's statement look is all down to colour and waxes. Waxes are composed primarily of long-chain esters that are solid at room temperature. Some common waxes used in cosmetics are beeswax, candelilla, polyethylene and paraffin. Waxes function as structuring agents, giving the lipstick the capability to stand up on its own, as well as barrier properties, so your lipstick lasts all night. By combining waxes with different properties such as high shine, flexibility, brittleness, optimal cosmetic performance can be achieved. To achieve the intense red colour Cameron Diaz wears so well, pigments and dyes are used. Titanium oxide, a white pigment, is mixed with other compounds to give the correct shade. For Cameron's yellow-red tone, a pigment like Red 181 would be used. This molecule has a chromophore. The colour is formed because the electrons in the chromophore absorb a visible light and are promoted to higher molecular orbitals. Because the complementary colour to what's seen by us is absorbed, Red 181 must absorb green or blue light to appear red-yellow. Scarlett Johansson is also known for her lips, but this time they're nude. She often goes for a pink shade with cold blue undertones, meaning similar pigments to Cameron's lipstick would be used, but in lower concentrations. To get the cool blue undertone, a pigment like Blue 63 would be added. This also has a chromophore, but this one absorbs yellow-orange light to appear bluey-grey. All this hard work making the perfect colours and textures would be no use if the makeup went mouldy after just a few weeks. Most cosmetic products contain preservatives to prevent microbiological contamination. Esters of parabenzoic acid are used most commonly due to their effectiveness against gram-positive bacteria. Phenoxyethanol is used against gram-negative bacteria. Normally, a mixture of these molecules and vitamins is used to prevent the growth of bacteria and mould. So now you can see there's a lot more to this Hollywood glamour than initially meets the eye, and it's all thanks to Chemistry.